In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get fried motherboards here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far the best place that the community has found here in Arc Raiders to get those fried motherboards is actually on the Blue Gate map. So go ahead and open up the play section, go to the Blue Gate map and hit inspect to view the full map right here. And you're going to want to specifically go up to Pilgrim's Peak all the way up here. Now this area has a ton of fried motherboards, especially in lockers and areas that you need to breach. The main thing that you're going to want to do though, because you don't have to exclusively go to Pilgrim's Peak, is essentially just look for this like technological chip symbol right here. This symbol right here essentially means that's where you're going to find that kind of loot. So I would specifically like loot these areas around the map that have like this technological symbol on it first, but you can also loot other areas around the map, but the tech symbol obviously is the most reliable. But that is it. I would recommend heading to Pilgrim's Peak or other tech symbol areas to collect fried motherboards efficiently. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.